In a country where cricket was long considered a man's game, a young girl dared to dream, a dream that etched her name in the history books of the world cricket. Sana Mir is a symbol of resilience, leadership, and excellence. And now that excellence is immortalized, Sana Mir has been inducted into the ICC Hall of Fame. She played 226 international matches for Pakistan. In 137 matches, she captained the side. She took over 240 wickets, scored over 1,600 runs. She was the first bowler for Pakistan to take 100 wickets in World ODIs. She broke barriers on and off the field. Her induction into the ICC Hall of Fame isn't just a personal milestone, it's a national celebration. It tells every young girl in Pakistan your dreams are valid and your talent deserves a global stage. The Hall of Fame now has a new light: green, bold, and proudly Pakistani.